Hey everybody, here at Visalia Radiator, the best place in town to take a leak, by the way. And Eric, what are we working on here today?
We are working on an 05 Express Duramax, which is kind of a rare animal to have that Duramax.
It's a Chevrolet Duramax for everybody. It's a full-size van.
Full-size van. 300,000 miles. The thing with diesels is you get oily messes going on.
Yeah, look at that.
That radiator.
Well, this radiator belongs to a longtime customer, a friend of ours, and he's out on the farm, right?
Yeah.
So this thing is just packed with bugs, and it's not breathing. That's going to affect his air conditioner, everything.
Oh yeah, for sure.
But this was what caught my attention. This is not your grandpa's auto repair deal. This is the lower radiator hose. This goes on, clips onto the water pump. This clips onto the radiator.
This clips onto the radiator, so it's really crucial that you replace these, especially with 300,000 miles. But as you can see, that's made out of fiberglass and hooks directly to the radiator. So that's a common spot for it to fail.
So this goes to the radiator. This goes up to the water pump. And this is a bypass for the heater.
This actually goes to the heater system.
Okay,
and
but check this out, everybody. I go, my God, that's a complicated hose. This thing retails for $450.
$450, more than the radiator.
$450 for a radiator hose. Good God, man, what's the world coming to? Anyway, we're going to get our buddy Al back on the road. I guess, you know, he does have 300,000 miles on it.
He does have 300,000 miles.
And so you got to amortize that over all that period of time. It just blows my mind that a radiator hose is $400. I remember we used to go to parts stores. Oh man, $5 for this hose? Times have changed, huh?
They have.
Yeah. Hey, anyway, we're having a great day here at Visalia Radiator. It's the best place in town to take a leak. Come in and see Eric anytime. Give him a call at 559-732-9217 and follow us on Facebook. What else are we on, Fabian?
TikTok, Instagram.
We're on everything but a porn channel, okay? All right, see y'all. Have a great weekend.